Ooh. This bone broth. It's like gelatiny because of all the collagen. We're gonna go eat sushi. I'm so excited. I see a Cybertruck. Ooh, maybe I should take my outfit photo over there. How fitting is that? We're in the Bay Area.
Car.
Show us the parking lot. We're literally taking outfit photos at a parking lot with Tesla truck. And it is not our Tesla. My dad is a sushi chef and this place is 10 out of 10. This is A.S. Spider Roll. The lunch special, yeah. The lunch special is actually pretty good. It is chilly in the city. Oh, I think they're up there. Wait, what? Is this like a get together?
So once a year.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
You guys just made it or?
Yeah, I made it.
Oh, wow. You're an engineer and designer. Interesting. They're right there, right here. Jello, jello, jello. Oh my gosh. Delicious. I'm eating more because I got really hungry. I have this leftover from the other day. It's Thai fried rice, super spicy. So I added a little bit more white rice and an egg and I just microwaved it. And I'm gonna put Kewpie mayo in it because I need it. I just started my period and it's one of those weeks where I just don't give a crap. It's probably not the best for my health, but it is what it is. YOLO. Gotta live a little. Wow, this soup is bomb. I'm treating myself with Kewpie mayo and lots of calories. 잘 먹겠습니다. 와, 진짜 맛있다. Oh my god, this is so good. I want to be skinny so bad. I want to taste that skinniness, but I can't. I want it so bad. I just cannot give up food. Like Kewpie mayo. For some people, I am very skinny. For my own beauty standards, I'm overweight. I'm comparing my size to the Korean beauty standards. I think the American culture kind of views it as like, oh, this is toxic, body dysmorphia. Body positivity is great, but at the same time, I feel like American culture is like babying, ignoring the health red flags. I just want to be skinny so bad, but I just can't stop eating. I want to taste the skinniness so bad. Life is good. Food is good. Wait a minute. What the f is this? Oh, is this parasite? Ew, what is this? Ew, I don't know if this is safe to eat. It's not moving. Is it parasite? I'm not wearing any foundation today, so gotta make sure to put on sunscreen like clockwork. So what's up, sunscreen? Are you sure?
Yeah.
You're the best. Are they all right? Do I have anything else? All good?
Yep.
Sun here is no joke. Houses here are so nice, but they're like a couple $1 million. More than a couple, actually. I claim this wealth, but not this type of houses. Like what? Oh my god. Hi. I was about to talk shit about the house, but wash my face and I'm gonna hop in shower. I wanna have some wine and I wanna relax. It's been a long week. I was gonna take a bath today, but I'm on my period. So unfortunately I cannot do that. Oh no! I'm almost done with this Tatcha one too. It's so easy to purchase a new product and buying everything and use it, but I never finish it. So I'm gonna try my best to finish all the products before starting a new one. My favorite foam cleanser, Senka This is my like 10th one. You know how we go like this? Apparently you're supposed to rinse the opposite way too. Our facial hair grows out like this way, and you have to wash it the other way, the opposite way. What? This is all they have? Just feels like serum, no needles. Couple of zits here and there.